Within the vehicle emission system, the exhaust gas recirculation valve, or EGR, reintroduces carefully measured amounts of exhaust gas into the engine intake system, enhancing efficiency, lowering fuel consumption, and reducing nitrogen oxide emissions. Now that we've disassembled the diesel exhaust systems, let's take a closer look at its components. This lesson will show how all the components of the diesel exhaust system are connected to each other.